In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively incorporate an online whiteboard into your Microsoft Teams meetings. This is a simple, visual way to make collaboration clearer and more engaging, and you can set it up in just a few moments. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. If you already use the desktop app, launch it and sign in as you normally would. If you're in a browser, head to the Teams website and log in there. Once you're at your dashboard, you can join or start your meeting the way you usually do. Keeping this part familiar helps you stay focused on the whiteboard portion. Next, let's bring in the whiteboard. A whiteboard is perfect for brainstorming, teaching, mapping processes, or sketching ideas that are easier to show than to explain. For this walkthrough, we'll use an online tool available at whiteboard.com. Open a new browser tab, type whiteboard.com into the address bar, and press Enter. On the home page, create a new whiteboard session. You'll see a clean blank canvas that supports drawing, typing, and quick diagramming, exactly what you need for real-time collaboration. With your whiteboard ready, switch back to your Teams meeting. Look for the Share button in the meeting controls. Click Share, and you'll see options for what to present. Choose the Chrome tab option. This lets you share just a single browser tab rather than your entire screen, which keeps the audience focused on the board and prevents any accidental pop-ups or unrelated windows from appearing. From the list of available tabs, select the one running your whiteboard on whiteboard.com. As soon as you share, everyone in the meeting will see your board update in real time. You can draw, write text, outline workflows, or sketch quick diagrams, and participants can follow along as you explain. This setup is especially helpful when you want to clarify complex ideas, co-create solutions, or keep a discussion dynamic and visual. A quick tip: keep your board simple and readable. Use clear labels, stick to a few colors, and zoom in when you need to emphasize details. These small habits make a big difference in how easy your content is to follow, and that's all there is to it. You've connected an online whiteboard to your Microsoft Teams meeting, keeping attention where it matters and making your session more interactive. In summary, open whiteboard.com, create your board, and share the Chrome tab from Teams for a focused, distraction-free presentation. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.